Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about programmable logic devices. Introduction. Most popular digital ICs bear TTL logic families 74 series till 2000, at least in India. Today they are hardly used in industrial applications. They are used only in the education field for learning the concept of digital electronics. They are replaced by new kind of devices called programmable logic devices. In programmable logic devices, the logic function is programmed by the user. So if the user wants, he can program the device number of times. Hence, these ICs are called programmable logic devices. For programming PLDs, the user needs to know the features of hardware description language, either VHDL language or Verilog language. Today, PLDs are used extensively in industries. Types of PLDs. First type is simple programmable logic device. Second, complex programmable logic device. Third, field programmable logic devices. This is the structure of OR array. In OR array, we will have more than one OR gates. We have to implement the following equations: x1 equal to a plus b, x2 equal to a bar plus b bar, x3 equal to a plus b bar. Three equations are there: a plus b, a bar plus b bar, a plus b bar. Here we are putting the dot at the respective input variable. This output of first OR gate is a plus b. Therefore, we are putting the dot at input A and input B. For second equation, we are putting the dot at a bar and b bar. Similarly, for third equation, we are putting the dot at input A and b bar. The OR array consists of array of OR gates connected to programmable matrix with fusible links at each cross point of a row and column. The OR array is programmed by blowing the fuses to eliminate the variables and retain only one connection in a row. Therefore, for each input to OR gate, only one fuse is left intact in order to connect the desired variable to the gate input. Once the fuse is blown, it cannot be reconnected. Next is a AND array. AND array is a collection of AND gates. In AND array, we have more than one AND gates. These equations we want to implement by using AND array. x1 equal to a and b, x2 equal to a bar dot b bar, x3 equal to a dot b bar. After programming, this is the structure of AND array. For a dot b, we are putting the dot at a and b. For a bar dot b bar equation, we are putting the dot at a bar and b bar. For a dot b bar equation, we are putting the dot at a and b bar. Types of SPLD. First type is programmable read-only memory (PROM). Second, programmable logic array. Third, programmable array logic, and fourth one is generic array logic. Programmable read-only memory. This is the structure of programmable read-only memory. In this structure, fixed IND array is followed by fixed OR array. Fixed AND array is considered as address decoder, and fixed OR array is considered as a memory. Programmable read-only memory, it consists of fixed or non-programmable AND array connected as an address decoder and programmable OR array as a memory. This is a structure of PLA, programmable logic array. In this structure, programmable AND array is followed by programmable OR array. It means both the array, AND array and OR array, are programmable. PLA consists of programmable AND array and programmable OR array. It is also called FPGA, field programmable logic array, because it is a program by user and not by the manufacturer. Example, Signetics 82S100. It is introduced in 1974, having 16 inputs and 8 outputs. It has 48 AND gates in AND array and 8 OR gates in OR array. It has 2 into 16 into 48 equal to 1536 fuses in AND array and 8 into 48 equal to 384 fuses in OR array. Next type is PAL, programmable array logic. In programmable array logic structure, programmable AND array is followed by fixed OR array. PAL consists of programmable AND array and fixed OR array with output logic, that is OTP, one-time programmable device. It is implemented by using TTL, transistor or ECL technology. Examples are PAL 16L8, PAL 20L8, PAL 10P8. Next type is generic array logic. In generic array logic, programmable AND array is followed by fixed OR array with programmable output logic. It has reprogrammable AND array and fixed OR array with the program output logic. It uses square CMOS technology or floating gate technology. Therefore, it is a generic, and so many other PAL like structure can be developed. Example, GAL 16V6, GAL 16V8C. Thank you friends for watching this video.